Hello, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you all are having a beautiful day. Yeah, it's nice here. It's nice, but yeah, it's chilly. It's chilly. But, I'm hanging in there. I'm hanging in there. Yeah. So I just harvest some more of my beans. I parboiled them and put them in some Ziploc bags and put them in the freezer because today I'm gonna cook some meatballs and spaghettis, and I can't wait because I'm hungry. I'm hungry, but I'm not going out and buying no fast food. So I'm gonna wait till I cook. Yeah. But listen, guys, I wanted to come on today and talk to you all about the video that I promised you all about my my friend's Brahmin purses. Yeah. Listen, I don't know if I told you guys that, my, she's private. She don't like being in front of the camera, and I respect that, because that's her preference. But when I was shooting the video, she kept interrupting, and so she didn't want anyone to hear her voice. She didn't want anyone to see her face, but she kept interrupting. So all throughout the video, I could hear her saying something. So at one point on the video, I said, all of these bags are very, very gorgeous, right? So she says, tell them that they are as gorgeous as I am. I'm like, man, you gotta be quiet if you don't want to be heard. So anyway, it's clipping, I couldn't do it. So what I did is I threw up some pictures like this. So here's a lot of her bags. She had 20 Brahmin bags. The wonderful thing about her is that she had given away many of her bags to family and friends. Yeah, she just give them away. As a matter of fact, she gave me one about a year ago. So, that's a picture of my bag. But this is my bag. This is my Brahmin. Yes. And matter of fact, I'm carrying this now. Yes, yes. I took it with me this morning. You could, it could go over the shoulder, or, you could just carry it as a tote. It's pretty big, and I love my bags big. Yes, I do. And I love that it had the little claws, but Brahmins are not cheap. I looked at some of her bags, and there was one bag was like $4.95. Yeah, and I don't mean $4.95. I mean $495. I'm like, But this is what she loved. She loved Brahmin bags. So not only does she have the bags, she have the wallets, and she have the eyeglass cases. All of them have their little tassels. They are all gorgeous bags. I love them. I love them. I love them. So here are many of the pictures of those bags. I hope you all enjoy those. Yeah, I do all the time I go there. I love them. Yeah. But anyway, whew, that sun. Ping, ping. Yeah, I got some mail, y'all. Yes. So I got some mail from our beautiful friend, the backyard gardener. Yeah, she sent me a package. I'll show you what it is. I think I received this on Friday when I came home that evening and went into my box, and there it was. Now, she and I have spoken already. We have communicated by email, and so we talked, and she sent me, sorry about that sun, it's really, really bright. But anyway, she sent me 2 starting slips of brown turkey figs. So I'm gonna plant these figs today, and I love it. She have them in moist paper, paper towels, and they are also in like sandwich bags to keep them very moist, and that is so great. Love it. So thank you so much. Thank you, honey. I really, really, really appreciate it. I want to say your name, but I don't want to say your name just in case you know, I never heard you saying your name on your channel before, so I don't want to do anything wrong. But to the backyard gardener, thank you, baby. Thank you. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna plant this today. I did see how you plant them with peat moss and some perlite, some acemite, and some compost, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do here today. Yeah, and I'm so looking forward to having those figs and transfer them in big pots. I can't wait to do that. But I thank you so much. And I think the only video left that I spoke of that I did not show, and just, you know, the days of the week just flew by me, was Jade and I shopping at the Dollar Tree. But that's okay, because, yeah, I'll make sure next week we will do that. But we're going to go back over and we're going to get some fresh stuff. How about that? Yeah. But I hope you all have a beautiful day. It's wonderful outside. I'm going to go up in here, get out all this, and yeah. I'm going to go up in here and cook these meatballs and spaghettis because I'm starving. I'm starving. I have this vegan recipe I really want to show you guys. So hopefully that will be in one of my videos for next week. I cooked it last night, but I ate it all. All right, guys. I'm going to get up out of here, but please have a wonderful day. Please have a wonderful day. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that like button on your way out. Yes, hit it. Hit it. Later, y'all. Oh, I did forget something. The melitons. The melitons. I did cook those melitons. I'm so sorry. Most of the footage was lost. I did have just the ending of what I did. I'm gonna just clip that little video at the end of this one. I'm sorry. It was my fault. I was playing with my camera, and it's a new camera, and I deleted it. But there was one part that I did not delete because I kind of record in stages. So I did get the ending. I did. But I'm going to connect it to this video. Check it out. And guys, it was so good. So delicious. I think I was talking to Eddie Perino. And Eddie was saying how it brought back so many memories. Yes, it does. Food, the smells, yeah, so many beautiful memories that I went through that day, but they were good. All right, guys, later, y'all. All right, guys, this is the finished product. So this is my stuffed melitons with shrimp. And I also cut up some turkey and put it here in the stuffing mix. Yeah, so this is them. Now, I want to taste one with all the stuffing in there. So I'm gonna be right back. Let me find me a fork here. I'm gonna cut it. Oh yeah, guys. This is so good. It is, I could just taste all of those, I could taste the pepper, the onion, and garlic. You know, it has its own unique flavor that is unbelievable. Mmm. And oh, that little kick. Oh, I got that little kick, y'all. It is so good. So good. Mmm. Mmm. I'm going to um mm, this is so good. I'm going to put the the recipe in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed it. It was just beautiful, and it brought back a lot of memories also. All right, guys. I hope you all have a beautiful, beautiful day. Enjoy your day. Yeah. All right, guys.